Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to download Python and install it in Windows OS. First, in order to download the Python exe file, we have to go to python.org/downloads. Once we navigate to this URL, we will see a button with the name Download Python with the current and latest Python version. You should also see download the, the latest version for Windows. Below that, you should see that download Python button. Once you click it, it will download an exe file. Use that downloaded exe file and install Python in Windows OS. Once the setup is successfully completed, you can close the installation wizard. In order to confirm whether the installation was successful, open command prompt, or also you can use Windows shell, and you can use py space double hyphen version command to confirm whether the Python is installed successfully. If you run into any issues, restart the PC and then open the command prompt or shell prompt again and then try py space double hyphen version to confirm whether Python was installed successfully in Windows OS. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.